Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Good morning.
Yes, I did.
Did you
I feel
sleep well?
fresh and happy today.
I
Every
drink water
morning,
every
I drink a
morning.
glass of water. It helps my body stay healthy. After that, I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth 2 times every day. Then I go to the kitchen. I like to eat fresh fruit in the morning. Apples and bananas are my favorite. Fruit is good for my body. I also like to exercise every day. Sometimes I walk in the park. I do not eat too much sugar. Too much sugar is not healthy. For breakfast, I usually eat eggs and bread. It gives me energy for the day. I also eat green vegetables. Vegetables help me stay strong and healthy. During the day, I drink a lot of water. Water is very important for our body. At night, I sleep early. Good sleep helps me feel better every morning. On weekends, I like to exercise more. I use small dumbbells and move my body. Every morning, I stretch my body slowly. Stretching feels nice and relaxing. Before eating food, I always wash my hands. Clean hands help us stay healthy. I do not drink too much soda. I think water is better for me. When I feel hungry, I eat healthy snacks. I like nuts and bananas very much. Sometimes I run in the morning. Running gives me more energy. After dinner, I take a short walk. It is a very good habit. For lunch, I like to eat fresh salad. Salad is light, fresh, and healthy.
If you like this video, subscribe to Azad.Infowala, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and leave a good comment below.
When I feel tired, I take some rest. Rest is important for the body and mind. I also like cooking healthy food at home. I cook vegetables and rice in my kitchen. Fresh orange juice is one of my favorite drinks. It has many vitamins for the body. Every weekend, I clean my room. A clean room feels calm and comfortable. Sometimes I meditate for 5 minutes. It helps me relax and feel peaceful. Today, I feel healthy and happy. Healthy habits make life better every day.